If I had a boat, I would sail out, take every brother and sister of mine. We'd roll in the sunshine and sleep when it's dark, hoping to find somewhere we can call home. But it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water.
Guys, look at that. Nashock ako. Look at that. Hindi ko alam na may ganito pala siya. Akala ko may nilagay si daddy kahoy. Ganyan pala siya. This one too. Look at this. So pretty. It's an olive tree, guys. I love it so much. Look. Ay, ganyan na siya. What is that, guys? Bulaklak? Update ng ating nilipat last time. Parang hindi siya masaya. Good morning pala, guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking mga collection talaga. Ang aking mga dearly plants. Hindi ako expert mag-alaga ng plants, pero thriving naman sila, guys. Wala akong masishare na tips and tricks para magpaganda ng plants. Diretsahan talaga to. Wala akong alam. Guys, ang mga plants ko parang ako. Hindi mo man alagaan. Ilagay mo lang dyan, nabubuhay. Ang lalim naman. Ang liit-liit lang nito, guys. Akala ko talaga matutsugi ito. Pero look at her now. Hindi siya super bongga as it should be siguro kung talagang minahal at pinalagaan ko talaga sila. But look at her. She's so pretty. Ang tawag ko sa kanila mga anak. Hindi ko alam kung effective ba yan. Basta, ang tawag ko sa kanila mga anak ko. Parang jungle tayo dito, guys, today. May plastic pa, oh. Ito, another olive tree naman to. Kasi I love olive tree. Gusto ko din tong ilagay sa pot. Maglilipat din tayo. And then also ito. Yung mga plants ko talagang, alam niyo ba itong mga to? Talagang thriving sila, guys. Ayaw nila ako iwan. Super thankful ako sa mga plants ko, guys. Kahit hindi ko sila masyadong binibigyan ng atensyon, hindi nila ako iniiwan. Kaya, Friday today. So, tomorrow, bibili ako ng soil para bigyan ko sila ng ibang soil. Kawawa naman itong mga to. Guys, alam mo ba to? Patay na to. As in, try kong i-revive. So, nilagyan ko siya ng maraming soil. Kahapon kakaisip ko lang sa kanya. Akala ko na natsugi na siya. Hello? By the way, guys, ito sila. Ayan. It's so pretty. So, ito mga to, yes, si Olive. Akit ko yun sa taas. Mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung taas. Gozaimasu. May police dahil chinek yung parking. Kailangan ng approval ng police kung yung size ba ng car, if sakto yung car doon sa parking, yun. So, i-measure nila yun. Saka lang makakapag-continue sa pagbili ng car. If you're asking, may car na kayo, bakit sine-check pa ulit may car na kayo? So, the thing is, yung next car is bigger than our car now. So, kaya kailangan ng ganon. Pero super bilis lang, like seconds. So ngayon, inaano ko muna yung ating vlog for today. Check ko muna para ma-live ko na. So, yes, that's what we are doing now. Ayan.
Thanks.
Okay tayo dito. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura ng ating labas. Ang ganda na ano, para siyang parang green screen. But hindi green screen yan, guys. Totoong clouds yan. Okay, so these are my babies, guys. Ito, iriripat ko to. Ito din. I will transfer this to a bigger, I think dito ko siya ilalagay. Ayan, kasi I want this one to grow more. These ones, dito yan, sa baba, ito sa baba. Ito goes up, kasi gusto niya ng full sun, for sure. And also ito din, kasi meron na ako dun eh. And then ito. And also this, ililipat ko din to ng mas malaki. And then ito, ililipat ko na to. Ito yung mga tomatoes natin. Although guys, wala akong expert like tips and tricks na masashare sa inyo. Okay, I love plants. That's for sure. I love nature. I love everything about it. Pero, iba naman yun sa kung may ability ba ako na mag-plant. Pero, there are stuff na I think that would help na konti based sa experience ko raising these babies and also losing some. Okay, first, once in a while, kapag nagluluto ako ng gulay or kakain kami ng fruits, yung scrap, yung mga balat ng kahit ano, nilalagay ko sa isang lagayan. Tapos, ibababad ko sa tubig. I will let it sit for like 1 day. And then, i-water ko sa kanila. When I say everything, like literally everything, when we eat banana, sibuyas dahon, lahat yun, ibababad ko sa tubig ng isang araw, like overnight. And then, i-water ko sa kanila. So, isa yun sa ginagawa ko. And then, sa Monstera, ang napansin ko na nag-keep it, alive and still look not totally super like very beautiful, but it is beautiful. One thing na I do is binababad ko sa tubig yung kanyang mga ugat. Ang gamit ko is yung mineral water na bottle. Now I am thinking to do it again kasi pinagpahinga ko and nag-dry yung mga bagong labas na roots. And also, I try not to overwater them. And then, kapag wino-water ko sila, hindi lang talaga hindi sa dahon, doon mismo sa ugat. Binubuhos ko mismo doon sa roots para direct doon. I'll be very honest, guys. Wala akong schedule. Hindi ako yung tipong titinan ko yung soil, kung kailangan ba ng tubig. I had a schedule, ang alarm, pero enough ko. Kasi I'll be very honest, hindi ko siya naging priority. But again, kapag wino-water ko sila, I make sure that they get enough. Like, talagang soak. Like, drenched, soaked in water talagang ginagawa ko. Yun. Ang point ko sa pag-share sa inyo is, hindi nga ako yung tipong yung super maalaga. Hindi ako yung tipong talagang, alam mo yung takes like full effort talaga. Pero the point is, they're thriving. So, I think yung mga na-share ko, I don't wanna like call them tips and tricks, but it's my way to get this baby like alive and not bad for a careless mom. Alam niyo yun? Ngayon ko lang ito nagawa na nandito silang lahat. I will get Monstera to join them here. And I just thought of playing music. Tapos, iiwanan ko lang muna sila ng mga siguro 1 hour. Gusto ko lang sila mag-party. I don't know if it'll do something, but I just feel like playing a music to them. And have this little reunion. Okay. Alright. I will put the Monstera here. I can. Okay. Tapos music. Oh, in fairness, guys. Music for plants. O yun. Aww. Masaya kaya siya? Naiyak ako. Hindi ko alam bakit. Hindi ko alam bakit ako ako naiyak? Ba't ako naiyak? Masaya lang ako dahil masaya sila. Kasi they make me happy. Ano ba yung brain ko? Ba't ako ganito? I have 30 minutes until sunduin si baby. So, I just thought of enjoying this moment kasi it never happened to me. And I don't think this will happen again since I will separate them. Yung iba papunta sa taas, diba? So, I still have 30 minutes and I just thought na humiga doon. And then, I don't know, try to find that I would like to read. Oh, okay. I'm reading a book. Reading it. And it's the little book of Huga, The Danish Way to Live Well. But anyway, I just want to enjoy this moment because I don't think this will happen to me again. Put you guys there. And why don't you like relax with me for 30 minutes? It's amazing, guys. Amazing. I feel amazing. My babies are here, guys. They're very surprised. No love.
I like Ethereum.
Huh?
How do you pronounce it? ESEETHEREM. REAL.
PEIC.
I don't know. I'm not really sure the meaning, but I think it's this.
Okay, let's not say anything.
This is
Let's just immerse ourselves in in this moment. So I will sit down there and let's do it for like, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's not do anything, let's not talk, let's just enjoy, smell the aroma, music, light and stuff, and plants.
Dreaming big, looking at the stars, they shine so bright, guiding me through darkness, endless night. Hope is burning strong within my heart, dreaming big.